Ladies and gentlemen, the top of the town now proudly presents Dave Parker.
You'll be the death of me. City of sin, what a mess I'm in. Look what you've done to me. Oh, Las Vegas, I'm losing everything. Why do I stay when every game I play I just get deeper in? Hey, Las Vegas, can nothing save us from you? Night after night, watching the wheel go round. One of these days I'm gonna burn you down. One black Sunday I came to visit you, just for the day to pass the time away and shoot a game or two. Oh, Las Vegas, that was a year ago. What can I do? You've got me hooked on you. I can never go. Hey, Las Vegas, can nothing save us from